Hello children, today our lesson is the food we eat. Okay, let's see what are the objectives that we are supposed to discuss in this lesson. We will be learning about the good eating habits, we will be learning about the nutrition, and we will get a brief summary about the good side of having nutrition. We learn about the unhealthy food and learn about the good healthy food. So this is the objective, that means these are the things that you are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, let's go to the other part. Right, so we'll see what are the good eating habits that you should develop. Food gives us energy to work and play. Our meals should include a variety of food such as fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, egg, milk and the milk products. So you can see in those pictures the way how the people are consuming a very nice healthy set of food, right? They are having the vegetables, they are going to have the fruits, the fish, the meat, the eggs, the milk and the milk products. So these are the good eating habits that a person should develop. Let's go to the other part. Okay, the new part is about the nutrition. So we are going to learn what nutritions are. Nutritions are substances that give us energy and help us to grow and stay healthy. Different kinds of food items give us different kinds of nutrition. So you can see the picture available on the slide now, you with different varieties of food. So with all of these things the nutrition part is fulfilled. There are 5 kinds of nutritions. We will be learning about them in the slides to come. So based on these nutritions only we are going to select whether we are going to stay healthy or whether we are going to be sick. So let's go on to the other slide to discuss more about these nutritions. Right, so here is one kind of nutrition. It is the proteins. Protein helps us to grow. They make our muscles strong and keep us fit. Milk, nuts, pulses, spinach, fish and eggs are rich in proteins. So you can see in those pictures the food items available under the nutrition category proteins, right? What are the things? The milk, the nuts, pulses, spinach, fish and eggs. These kinds of food items are rich in the category of protein. So let's move on to the other category of nutrition. Right children, our next part of the nutrition category is the carbohydrates. So you can see on the slides very nice beautiful images. Those are the food belonging to the carbohydrate category. Carbohydrates are our main source of energy. Whole grains and cereals are rich in carbohydrates. So imagine if you are not consuming these food, definitely you will have to undergo the diseases, right? Because we will talk at the end of the lesson, we are talking about the diseases that can cause due to consuming of unhealthy food. So we'll go to the other section of the nutritions. Right, the next one is about the fats. Fats give us energy, they also keep us warm. Food items such as meat, oil, butter give us fats. So the children, now you can see the picture, the availability of food containing the fat. So This is also very much important to have these kind of food also in your daily meals. So let's move on to the other part of the nutrition to learn more about it. Right. The next category is the minerals. So we'll see what minerals are doing for us. Minerals are preventing diseases. One of the important minerals that our body needs is calcium. Calcium is important for our bones and teeth. Milk is the best source of calcium. Green leafy vegetables are rich in minerals. So see how much the food should be concerned before putting into the tummy. Now children, you can see, right, you are not concerning, you only go behind these packed food, right, because they are very tasty, they add chemicals, but you have to remember that these food are not available with chemicals, the natural food that you can find. Right, the next one is about vitamins, and vitamins help us to grow, get energy and remain healthy. They help our body to fit and to fight against the diseases. There are different kinds of vitamins. Our body needs all of them in different quantities. Vegetables, fruits, meat and milk products are rich in vitamins. So children, you can see on these slides the available food present under the topic of vitamins. So it is very much needed to have vitamins in your balanced diet. Right, the next one is about our traditional diet. It is very much needed for everyone to have a balanced diet, because a balanced diet gives you all the necessary needed nutritions to be healthy. It means the diet that contains the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamin, these things will be there with the corrected quantities, equal amounts, so that will make a balanced diet. So if anyone is having a balanced diet, children, the good part of this is he or she will be able to be healthy, as well as they will be able to live a long life. So let's move on to the other part of the slide to learn more about this food lesson. Right, so it is very much needed to avoid eating unhealthy food. The reason is, if anyone is consuming this unhealthy food, he or she will have to face these problems. What are the problems? They will fall sick, as well as they will have to undergo so many unhealthy conditions. So do not eat food cooked or kept in dirty places. Fried food build up unnecessary body fat and cause harm to the body. Ready-made or packed food is not fresh. It may contain harmful chemicals and artificial food colors. Fresh food turns stale after some time. Stale food smells bad. Right? So you may have observed, children, some green or white patches on old bread. So those are the way how the food is becoming stale. If anyone by mistakenly, if anyone have consumed this bad food, he or she will get stomach pain, headache, vomit. They will have to undergo these type of unhealthy conditions. So we have learned everything about this. We in the food lesson we learn about the food. Next we learn about the nutritions. After that we learn about the different types of nutritions. After that we talk about all the food categories belonging to the certain types of nutritions, the proteins, what are they doing and what are the food categories belonging to. Next we discuss about the carbohydrates and what are the types of food belonging to carbohydrates. Next we discuss about the fats and the types of food belonging to fats. Next we discuss about minerals and the types of food belonging to minerals. Next we talk about vitamins, how vitamins are needed for the body and what are the types of food needed in order to maintain a proper vitamins. And next we discuss about the traditional diet. It means a balanced diet that contains all the types of nutritions with correct quantities so that it will make the person healthy and stronger. Later we started discussing about the way how people are used to consume this packet food and the food that is being used with the addition of chemicals. So it is very much important for everybody to keep them in their mind to avoid this unhealthy food habitat, because anyone who starts trying to use these things, children, definitely he or she will have to face so many health issues. So let's move on to the other part of the slides. We'll see what it is about. Right, the last slide is all about some questions. So more questions are available in page number 37 and 38. So away from that, first one is name the nutritions. Second one is what are the food types belonging to carbohydrates. Third one, name 3 good eating habits. Fourth one is what is a balanced diet. Next one is why is it necessary to avoid consuming unhealthy food. So away from the questions available in page number 37 and 38, you people can answer these questions because this will be very much helpful for you. The reason is this study will make you to understand more about this food lesson. So children, take time and do this activity because we discuss about the food, the types of nutrition, the 5 types: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. And later we discuss about the food belonging to these categories. Next we discuss about the sources of these minerals. Next we talk about the traditional diet, as well as finally we talk about the how to avoid the use of unhealthy food. And finally we got a summary about what we learned today now. So as a homework, you have remaining with page number 37 and 38. You people can finish off this activity. So you understood the lesson. So we hope to come again during another set of videos. So have a nice day, children. Bye.